everyone, welcome to Vasulta Prediction. I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers, guys. This is the reading for the zodiac sign Libras, okay, for the month of October 2021. Let's check it out. It's a situationship reading. That means it is either related to career or relationship. 1 second, guys. Let me switch off my another phone. That will be really cool for you. Okay, guys. So what's coming up for you in your career life, Libras? It's a situationship reading, okay? Wow. It's a career. Let's say this is the career in the month of October. Relationship. Wow. Relationship. Okay, so guys, I can see clearly. Okay, I need to shift my place a bit so that I can do a reading nicely, okay, and properly. Okay, so in your career life, you are juggling between two choices, two options, two connections, two decisions. You have to make major decisions in your life when it comes to your career, Libras. Okay, before you were trying to remove the obstacles in your life when it comes to your career related stuff. Okay, now you are just sitting and just watching over, like you are not doing anything. You are not going to do anything. You have decided, and you are not going to solve any obstacle or problem. You are just going to sit and observe things, how it unfolds naturally. Okay, in your career life, there's a major opportunity waiting for you. Or maybe possible that you might be waiting for some sort of a major opportunity related to money, related to pentacles, related to a major offer. Okay, it's coming up towards you, but it's in a very slow motion. Okay, it's not coming overnight. It will not happening within months. It will take time a bit. That offer will be coming towards you, related to money, related to your financial abundance, but it will take a time within next 1 month to 1 year. Within that duration, a new opportunity, a new offer related to money will be coming. Okay, right now if you will be seeing the offer will be coming and going, like you won't be getting it. It will take time, so be patient, because within next 1 year, during this duration, within next 1 year, new major opportunities will be coming related to money. Grab that opportunity. Okay, Libras. The next thing I can see is relationship. You are being very strong enough related to relationship. Okay, you are going to be very thrift. Okay, like let's say you are going to be very spendful when it comes to your money, your finances, your incomes, because you'll be investing it either into real estate, either into your money related stuff, either into your pentacles. Okay, or you might be doing a real estate business, or you might be thinking of shifting or relocating to a new place. Okay, away from family or situations, family or relations. Okay, so you are going to be spending a lot of money. And also I can see in a relationship, you are no more going to hold back. Before you were holding back your relationship, and you were thinking very much before taking any action or before talking about something, but now you are no more going to hold back your situation, your communication. So communication is coming, but you're no more going to be holding back your feelings, your emotions, or else either other person might not be holding back the feelings and the emotions. If there is less or no communication now, that stubbornness is removing in the month of October. Okay, and someone is trying to at least gain a clarity that one has to make a move, one has to initiate the conversation, communication, whether if it's about separation, two people living separately, or whether it's about marriage, whether it's about commitment, or whether it's about divorce. But a communication, a solid communication is coming towards you. Okay, in when it comes to your relationship, Libras. Also, one more thing, I can see that you're thinking about marriage, commitment, long term commitment, relationship, relationships, but it's not happening right now. Okay, it will be taking a time of within next 4 to 6 months. A new person might enter into your life, or you might think about the marriage thing, but right now it's not on the cards. Okay, at least in the month of October. Also, one more thing, two people at a distance thinking about each other, want to talk to each other, but hesitating, or less or no communication is there, either emotional distance or physical distance is there. Also, I can see that a lot of unhappiness is there in your family life related to certain situations in your personal life. Okay, so if that is there, that is going to be there in the month of October. You just need to be very courageous and strong enough in the month of October to to make it happen, to solve these issues, or to be very much strong enough related to certain situations. Okay, if you want to book one-on-one personal reading with me related to career, relationship, situationship, the details are given in the description box below. Yes, you need to spend time with nature, you need to go on trekking, you need to spend time with nature and good environment or something like that. You need to be very creative, you need to convert your passion into profession. A spiritual teacher, you need to heal your classes, seminars. You might be a spiritual teacher, or you might get indulged into spiritual healing or teaching. You might become a numerologist, tarot card reader, astrologer, horoscope, palm mystery reader. Okay, it can be anyone, but yeah, you can become, or you can start taking sessions and seminars and classes of spiritual teaching and healing of others. Okay, or you might be thinking of traveling, or you might be thinking of starting a traveling business, or you should start a traveling business because you are Libras, so Libras love traveling. Okay, to be honest, let go, walk away from the situation in order to resolve it. Okay, so yes, you need to let go of the situation and you need to resolve. Sometimes it's better to let go of the situation, because the universe unfolds the situation automatically. Okay, without much interference of ours. Okay, and the others of you might be thinking of to start something better. Okay, something good when it comes to doing PhD or higher educational degree, gaining higher educational degrees. Okay, it can be like that. Okay, the others of you can become counselor as well, or someone needs advice from the counseling people. Okay, and the rest of you might spend time with nature, animals, or animals, birds, or might protect earth, or spend time with animals, nature, and nurture the beauty of nature. That might be the case in the month of October. What's coming up for you in your love life, Libras? A reconciliation is possible for few of you. If you are dealing with a twin flame connection and soulmate connection only, then reconciliation is possible. If you are dealing with a karmic connection, things are coming to an end. Okay, also very soon there has to be a decision which has to be made. Okay, there is a major, well, there has to be a major decision which needs to be made. Okay, yes, you deserve love, you are lovable. Okay, so whatever you want to do, okay, love is there for you. Okay, either you need love for yourself, or else someone is coming towards you for giving love, for nurturing you. Okay, you have a solid attraction towards someone, or you are attracted towards someone, or someone is attracted towards you. Okay, vice versa. Forgiving and learning, you are forgiving a lot of things, issues, problems. As you release and heal the past, you experience more love in your present moments. Yes, you are forgiving, learning the lessons, and moving on, which is very good, Libras. I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers, guys. Bye bye, take care.